Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal checkout. First, you will need a PayPal business account. If you already have a personal account, it is easy to upgrade it to a business profile. Next, ensure all your business details are verified and a bank account is linked. This foundational step is crucial for processing payments smoothly. Finally, head over to the PayPal developer dashboard to prepare for obtaining your essential API credentials. Once in the developer dashboard, your next step is to generate your unique API credentials. You will need both a client ID and a secret key. Remember, PayPal offers two environments, a sandbox for testing and a live environment for actual transactions. Always start with the sandbox to thoroughly test your setup without affecting real money. Securely store these keys, as they are vital for connecting your website to PayPal's payment gateway. Now, let's integrate PayPal checkout into your website. You can choose from various integration methods, like a simple standard button or a more customized solution. The most common approach involves adding the PayPal JavaScript SDK to your website's code. This SDK provides the necessary tools to render the payment button. Configure this button using your client ID and specify any desired payment options, ensuring a seamless user experience. Before going live, rigorous testing is absolutely essential. Use your sandbox credentials to simulate transactions and ensure every step of the checkout process works perfectly. Verify that payments are processed correctly and that order details are accurately recorded. Once you are confident everything is functioning as expected, switch your integration to your live API credentials. This final step makes your PayPal checkout ready for real customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.